Hi.
Hi everyone, welcome to the news.
It's Abby and Abby, and we're back with some more news for this month, our hospitality month.
Absolutely.
So first of all, remember that theme verse, everybody keep working on that. And I want to remind you guys about our Zoom that we have, which is next week, Wednesday. That's August 25 at 1 p.m. That's Eastern Time. Check it on your dashboard or the news email for the link. So we're going to have that listed there. And we want to say final call for your recipes. Get those in because we are going to start producing this cookbook so that you guys can get it. And we've been talking a lot about the things we're going to put in there. And so this is going to be a lot more than just a cookbook. So We're super excited to start building it. But we want to make sure if you wanted to submit a recipe that you can submit it.
It's been super fun looking through them all, so I'm excited to see the book come together. Another part of Hospitality Month, we have the Coffee and Jesus Bible sale going on. That's 50% off, so it's a $25 value for half price. And this is just a great opportunity to, have a cup of coffee and share the Jesus Bible with someone. So make sure to check that out on our store, and we'll have that linked below and in the email as well.
Yep. And then with our convention, just want to remind you guys, we have done the sign up, but if you haven't signed up, you can still email if you really, really want to go. But again, that sign up was supposed to be by August 15, but we just want to give anybody a chance who maybe just didn't see it to email us, and we can work it out with getting you and maybe your guests to attend. But if you have signed up to attend, we can't wait to see you, and it's time to sign up for your mini course sessions. Tell them about that, Abby.
Yeah, so we have 8 different professors coming. You can check them out on that link or on this slide right here. So we have some very exciting ones. Dr. Fettis, Brian DeCook, Mark Vandermeer, Steve Elzinga, Professor Ruth, your dad, Bruce Ballas, James Hunt. So you can see all those sessions on the screen. There's lots of different options. So yeah, make sure to sign up for those sessions and lock in, what you're going to be learning while you're here.
Yeah, which one you want to listen to. So I'm super excited. I wish I could be in 8 different places.
I know.
Right? But, got to pick the one that might resonate the most for you right now. And again, if you haven't signed up, respond to the news email or email rsullivan@christianleaders.net, and we can still get you to attend. Next, I'm actually very excited because we're going to be interviewing 2 of our staff members. One is kind of a goodbye for now, and the other one is a welcoming. So we're going to go over that to there now.
I am back, and I'm back with Josiah Dominiak and Alicia Chapkis, and they are actually both my in-laws. So this is my sister-in-law and brother-in-law, so I'm glad to be in the studio with you guys. Thank you. And first and foremost, I want to thank Josiah. He's been here since the beginning of the year doing registrar work, and he has made a huge imprint on the program, and we're super grateful. I'll let him share a little bit more about what he's done while he's been here. And they both were raised in a Christian home and are very passionate about their faith. So it's a pleasure to have you guys at CLI, but we are unfortunately saying a little bit of a farewell for now to Josiah, so I wanted to thank him and give him a chance just to share a little bit about what he's been doing in the registrar department. So Josiah, share a little bit about your time here since the beginning of the year and what you've been working on.
Yeah, so I came in kind of at a very pivotal point for our college as far as pursuing USD accreditation. So I've really been working closely with Brianna and now Alicia in our degree programs and just making sure that the content and curriculum is up to where we need it to be as far as becoming accredited, and just delving in and engaging with our beautiful student population and just,
Yeah, no, I know that the students have loved having you. I've heard awesome emails from them about your assistance, and I know Brianna has loved having you, our registrar, and she's on maternity still. She's going to be back next Monday. And yeah, so you've been working on training Alicia to take over the role. So we've got one sibling training another to take over the role, which I think is great. Josiah, tell them a little bit about one of the projects that you really worked on was the capstone project, and why were you passionate about getting that kind of approved and kind of redone a little bit?
So I noticed as we've been evolving as an institution that there was a lot of similarities between both our associates and our bachelor's tracks. So, similar to our ideology moving forward, I wanted to make sure that our students are going through a curriculum that's very challenging but yet engaging and supportive for their learning experiences, so that way we are doing the very work we intend to do for our students, which is raising Christian leaders. So we want to make sure in the more academic realm of the institution that our students are more than adequately prepared when they're going into their professional fields.
Yeah, or if they transfer into a master's, again, I'm doing my master's, and I have many of fellow CLC graduates in that master's. So yeah, making sure they're prepared and ready to go. So I just want to personally thank you on behalf of the whole staff for your hard work. And we're hoping maybe we'll have you back at some point to do some other things. So thank you, Josiah, so much.
You're welcome.
Alicia, I'd love to hear a little bit from you about how it's been so far at CLI. You're kind of new. She started in July 1. So share a little bit about how it's been so far.
No, it's been great. I mean, I get to see everyone and work close with students and, just getting a feel for what this job entails and helping students out and learning more about their stories, which it's a huge blessing to read these students' testimonies and see how our institute has helped them out in their journey. And yeah, so it's been great.
And that's what I was going to say. That is one of the biggest things as far as coming into this position, even having family, so there can be a instruction that we know everything about, what is Christian Leaders College all about, but it's funny when you actually get into the position and then you get to read the student testimonies and the exit papers, and you really get to place yourself among the student population and kind of have that hindsight and go through those processes with our students. And that's probably one of the most rewarding experiences, getting to walk alongside the students and say, I see exactly where you are and I'm here for you.
Yes, absolutely. I'd love for you guys both to just say one word of encouragement to the students, just to encourage them in their studies, because you're pushing them along in the degree program and being the people to assist them in that, which is a huge and probably one of the most challenging things they can do is pursue that degree. So go ahead, Josiah, what would you encourage them?
I would just say to be still and trust in God and know that even in the toughest, most extreme conditions and trying periods through your studies, that He will be there alongside of you and He is going to help you prosper.
Amen to that.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Yeah, not only is, trusting in God and His sovereign plan for each and every one of us, but, we're also here to help the students, and help them grow in their Christian walk and faith. So don't be hesitant to reach out to us.
Awesome. Well, again, I'm so grateful for the work that you've done here, Josiah, and that you've already begun to do here, Alicia. And again, I'm grateful for them as they are family to me. So God bless you, Josiah, as you continue on, and we hope to have you back a little bit, and you too, Alicia, as you begin the role. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. And I do want to say one thing before we go. Today, we're celebrating 2 birthdays on staff as well. I didn't drag them into this studio, but I should have. It's our Dr. Fettis's birthday, actually. So wish him a happy birthday. And also Rhonda Sullivan, who is our executive administrator. So huge people here on staff have birthdays, so we hope they have a great day.
Yes.
Thank you guys again for being with me in the
Yes,
studio.
thanks for having us.